TfL have put on a football tour service for tourists. Take this train which will stop at connecting stations for Arsenal, Tottenham Hotspur, West Ham and... What was the fourth one? West Ham and what? Chelsea? No, Chelsea's like West. Leighton Orient. Oh yeah, that the stadium with apartments that where people can watch from for free. All right. So Arsenal, Tottenham Hotspur, Leighton, no, West Ham and Leighton Orient. Okay. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to make Corpse here. Today we are in back in Trainton World 5 today, and we are gonna do this scenario that we failed on last time, the one that we failed during our first look at this route. So let's try this again. Football focus. I'm pretty sure I should know this. I know this. I know the ones I do know now, and I'll tell you. If you haven't watched the first look, I'll tell you what happened. So basically, what happened? I passed a red signal. Yeah, good. At the end, get the train to our first stop, Leighton Midland Road. Something will be Leighton Midland Road. Okay. I guess that's Leighton Orient then. So yeah, Tottenham and Hot and Arsenal. Of course, Tottenham and Arsenal, because they are both in North London and big rivals. Oops, they're both big rivals, and yeah, and if they play against each other, this is called the North London Derby. Oh, oops, close the doors too early. My bad. All right. Is there anything else? Because I'm talking. I'm getting a bit distracted here if I'm talking. Uh. I don't know why I keep turning on the notice board light. Next stop is Leighton Midland Road for connections to both West Ham United and Leighton Orient stadiums. Oh yeah, the London Stadium and the Leighton Orient Stadium. I forgot. Yeah, I know Leighton Orient. They're pretty famous. I'm pretty sure they're also famous for its sake because of the apartments. It's funny because people there get to watch for free. The people who are Leighton Orient fans are lucky because they literally live next to the stadium. I'm so like, I'm not jealous. So yeah, so I'll follow you in. Where's the next one? Speeding, always speeding. Oh wait, no, hang on. I have to pass by this station, not slow down. No, like, stop here. Football teams can be categorized by what football league they play in. These range from Premier League, English Football League, EFL, Championship, League One, League Two, and National League. Yep, I know that. Stop at Leighton Midland Road, I forgot about that. Leytonstone High Road. One way. One away. Okay, next one's Leighton Midland Road. I have to stop there. So I remember here I had to, like, there was an interaction between something. This is Leighton Midland Road. From this station, you can find Premier League team West Ham and United in London Stadium. Founded in 1895 as Thames Iron Works, they reformed in 1900 as West Ham United. The emblem of the rivet, the emblem of the limp. The emblem of the rivet hammers represents their origins as ironwork shipbuilders. Alright, talk to these guys. Sorry, you're not seeing a ghost. I'm not the same Bobby Moore who played for West Ham in England, with a statue outside Wembley. Goodbye. I told this guy many times, he can't bring his football to the
If you
station.
see anything
He's
suspicious,
always kicking it
please tell a
around.
member of staff or the police.
Also located here are EFL One League One team Leyton Orient at Brisbane Road Stadium. Founded in 1881 as a cricket club, they began playing football as Orient in 1888 as Clapton Orient a few years later before adopting the current team name Leyton Orient. Orient's crest is made up of two wyverns over football, wyverns being used as a symbol of the Thames. The name Orient. I hate you so much. Referencing the Thames. The name Orient originates from the old Orient Shipping Company, later merging to form P&O. Before their relegation to lower leagues in 2017, Orient were the second oldest league club in London, behind Fulham FC. Before the relegation, I already read that. Fortunately, 2023 saw the team promoted back into League One. Man, I just hope that we will see. Next up is South Tottenham for Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. Uh, Hopefully we'll see Leyton Orient back in the Premier League soon. They're gonna have to slow down soon. Honestly, this actually kind of looks like a good site to take a photo. Hmm, think he'll be alright. Right, all done. And now let's continue. We shall continue. See, it's yellow. Yeah, I just realizing you're a bit, tiny bit fast. Excuse me. Alright, we shall continue to South Tottenham. This is South Tottenham. From this station, you can find the Premier League team's Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. Tottenham Hotspur, commonly referred as Spurs, was founded in 1882. Spurs emblem is a cockle standing up on. Oh my gosh! There's cockerels standing up. My goodness. It was founded in 1882. Emblem is a cockerel standing upon a football with the Latin motto "Audere e facere." To dare is to do. Tottenham collected at least one major trophy in each of the 6 decades from 1950s to 2000s, an achievement only matched by Manchester United. Excuse me. Is there someone to talk to in the stadium? No, there's no one to talk to. I mean, we're not gonna be late or anything. I'm just gonna.
Please have your ticket. Action.
So there's no one to talk to around here at the moment, because I failed before going to Tottenham. Excuse me. What's next? Arsenal, I guess. Yeah, I'm guessing Arsenal. Holloway is so we're gonna stop at next. I think we're gonna stop at a red signal first. Ay ay ay.
Passengers are reminded that smoking is prohibited at all stations and on all train services. This includes e-cigarettes. Okay, up the Holloway. So I guess this is Arsenal. This is Upper Holloway. From this station you can find Premier League team Arsenal, Emirates Stadium.
Founded by munitions workers at the Royal Arsenal, they started in Woolwich. A cannon is used as their team emblem to represent their origins. In 1913, the club crossed the city, becoming close neighbours of Tottenham Hotspur. In 2006, the club moved to the home grounds, Emirates Stadium. Anyone to interact here?
Ticket checks are now at this station. Please have your tickets ready for inspection.
Guy checking his phone. This concludes our tour. This service will terminate out at Gospel Oak. There you go. There's another train there, waiting. Yay, it's departing. Now all we have to do is wait. What's this one? What's this? What's this train track? That's my question. Hello, train. Oh, we can proceed. Gospel Oak. So yeah, this is one of the stations where this includes the Mildmay line. Thanks for taking this special service for football fans. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. I will see you in the next one. Ooh, the flood. That's interesting. Thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. I will see you in the next one, guys. So guys, goodbye.